What's up, guys? Less than 3 months till the iPhone 17 drops, and today we're diving into the top 12 leaks and upgrades for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Buckle up, cause Apple's playing with some wild new moves. 1. Design glow up. We're talking a new rectangular camera bump, big and bold, and the flashlights moving off to the side. No longer chilling with the cameras. Totally fresh vibe. 2. Build materials. Apple's mixing titanium and aluminum for a slick, glowing look. Going back to aluminum but with a premium twist. Classic Apple move. 3. Color flex. Special edition sky blue is coming through. Think MacBook Air vibes, but on your phone pure eye candy. 4. Front cam upgrade. Hello, 2.4MP selfie camera in the dynamic island. Apple's finally ditching that 1.2MP front cam they've stuck with for years. 5. Rear cam power. The telephoto lens is leveling up from 1.2MP to 4.8MP. So all rear cams are rocking 4.8MP now. Zoom game about to be crazy crisp. 6. 8K video recording. Yep, the iPhone's jumping into 8K video for the first time. Whether it's 30 or 60 FEs, this is a huge leap for mobile video. 7. Dual recording mode. Record front and back cameras simultaneously. Perfect for vloggers, sports days, fireworks, you name it. 8. Battery boost. Bigger batteries incoming, so you can go longer without hunting for a charger. 9. A 19 Pro chip. New chip, more speed, more efficiency. We're stoked to see how much firepower Apple's packing. 10. Custom 5G Wi-Fi chip. Wi-Fi 7 and 5G. Connectivity with a custom chip to keep things fast and save battery.